What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, so is crypto and Bitcoin shaping up for another green weekend? And are we going to create another CME gap as a result? We're going to talk about it, guys. We're going to talk about it. Let's look across the space right now. We also have Powell speaking in just 4 days. The FOMC meeting will take place. And there's a lot of mixed controversy and conversation about whether they're going to, quote, according to Trump's administration, do the right thing and cut rates. Well, we'll discuss what that's going to have, what kind of an impact that's going to have on the markets as well, if that were to take place. All right, so as you can see, guys, looking across the altcoin space, my goodness, Tarax up 15.5, Sui's up 16.5, XCN 13, Crow 9.5, Algo 7, Pith. Everything is looking good. Nice recovery day. Let's have a look across some of our altcoins. Jasmy up 4.5 on the day, 3% on the week, 36.5 on the month, but down 37.8 on the year. Even in rank at 96, $837 million market cap and 34 million in volume. Swiftcoin, look at that spike up today. Holy smokes. Swiftcoin's volume has shot up almost 100% in just 2 hours, guys. It is up 6.1% on the day, down 2.2 on the week, up 10.3 on the month, and 203 on the year. We're up 4 spots in rank to 326, $122 million market cap. Volume shot up to 3.08 million. Absolutely fantastic. When I did a video earlier this morning, it was like 1.23 or something like that million. So it has spiked tremendously. You love to see that. You love to see it. XCN up 13.1% on the day, down 8.2 on the week. Up 11.5 on the month and up 1,014% on the year. We're up 9 spots in rank to 117, $583 million market cap and 33 million in volume. And of course, our beloved Zebek up 2.2 on the day, 24.5 on the week, 8% on the month, and 222% on the year. We're down 2 spots in rank to 174, $339 million market cap, 17 million in volume. So going across the broader altcoin space, guys, HBAR, Walrus, Beam, Flare, Wagami Games, Near Protocol, Superverse, Dogecoin, everything is looking fantastic. ACH, Ondo, Cardonzo, and so much more. Render, everything's looking good, guys. Nice recovery across the board. It's odd how we've been pumping really hard into the weekends over the last month. It's been 3 or 4 weekends in a row now of nice pump action through the weekends. Absolutely crazy. All right, so Bitcoin up to $118,095. Can we break? Are we forming a bit of resistance right here at $118,368? Hopefully not. But we are holding support really well, as we outlined this morning, $117,245 roughly. That has been the strong support level, guys. We need to see a nice strong break to the upside here with conviction. Is it going to happen this weekend? Well, a lot of people are discussing whether the Fed is going to end up giving us a surprise rate cut right after Trump's tour with Powell the day before yesterday and everything, and how the administration was now currently saying that they're confident that Powell will do, in their words, the right thing. What are my personal thoughts on this? I don't think we're going to see a surprise rate cut. I think that the best case scenario is that Powell alludes to a rate cut in September, which will nonetheless pump the markets through August, because we will then be pricing in a rate cut in September. And then that would align up perfectly with a September correction across the altcoin market. So yeah, that's what I see happening. I don't think we're going to get a surprise rate cut. Some people think we do. And listen, what impact would that have on the market if we did have a surprise rate cut? Well, I mean, I think that the market would obviously respond very favorably. I think Bitcoin would shoot up over this golden pocket here. we would get above and close above $121,000 finally. That's what I think would happen. We would start to head up closer towards 125,000 in this area. Would we break through? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But I think for sure we would break above 121 and start closing candles above there, because we have yet to do that, right? That's what I think would end up happening for Bitcoin if we did get a surprise rate cut, though I do not think that's going to happen. Let's go look at Ethereum's charts, right? Because Ethereum has surprisingly been extremely resilient compared to Bitcoin. So let's go have a look. Ethereum's actually trying to break out right now, right? As we can see, I'm going to shift this up just a little bit. It is kind of breaking out right now, guys, on the daily time frame. For Ethereum, out of this bull pennant, if we can break out of here like we broke out, we're just right on the trend line of this bull pennant right now. If we break to the upside, guys, we could finally break through all-time high here for Ethereum, sending altcoins into a freaking tsunami of bullishness. I'm trying to find something clever to say, but I couldn't. So we'll just say bullishness, okay? Whatever a tsunami of bullishness is, that's what's going to happen, okay? I think it's going to be good. Ethereum's held up very, very strong against the dump that Bitcoin had. We've stayed inside this bull pennant. We wicked down 3 times, but came right back up inside of here. So are we going to see Ethereum snap to the upside here today? Because we are right on the line of this bull pennant breaking to the upside. Can we get a breakout and close above, which could cause the breakout to take place, guys? Or will we wick back down inside of here before the daily close happens? Well, at the time of recording this video, there's about a little over 7 hours left until the daily candle close. So we'll see what happens. But Ethereum is leading the way, my friends, looking strong as always. Really quick, guys, 2 things I kind of wanted to recap for you. The promotion from Decent Wallet. Get yourself some free ZBIC, a free ZBIC airdrop, and $20 off your ZBIC wallet. Use our link down below using the coupon code FUTURE20OFF. Get your free ZBIC airdrop there. And also, guys, listen, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Only 10% of people in crypto actually make true life-changing wealth for themselves, my friends. And that's the money comes from the 90% who lose money. That's how this works, okay? It doesn't mathematically make sense, like everybody claims, that 90% of people in crypto make life-changing wealth. Where the hell is that money coming from, right? It's a player versus player game that we're playing here, right? 10%, the money that 10% of people put in cannot make 90% of people millionaires, right? It's the other way around. The 90% end up funneling and losing money into the people who make money, the 10% who make true, actual, life-changing wealth. Never work again, when moon, when Lambo kind of money, okay? If you want to be in that category, which of course you do want to be in that category, why the hell else would you be here, right? Then you got to get over and you got to join the 10% club, guys. The link is down in the description. We teach you how to navigate this space. We teach you, most importantly, how to pick your exit price points and avoid the emotional euphoria that Moon Boy content creators shill out to you. We teach you how to get out of the market before everybody else does. Be part of the 10%. I'll tell you right now, in 2021, I've been here for multiple cycles. In 2021, the people who sold early were the winners in the space. Everybody else ended up holding way too long and either sold at a loss or rolled their crypto all the way back down into a bear market and are still holding it today, okay? You don't want to be that person to watch your portfolio hit a 7-figure number or higher only to ride it all the way back down to 5 figures because you were greedy and you were listening to content creators telling you unrealistic. I had someone tell me the other day that someone told them that a safe exit price point for XLM, which is a great project, was $27. Okay? That kind of ridiculousness is what's starting to go around right now. Do not get caught up in that stuff, guys. The Moon Boy euphoria clickbait stuff is going to get you wrecked. I promise you. Join the 10% club today. Learn how to navigate this space learn how to front run the market, get out before everybody else, and make yourself true, actual, when Moon, when Lambo, multimillionaire status, life-changing wealth for yourself. We've already helped 43 people over in our Patreon community hit 7-figure portfolios, and many others have hit high 6 figures. So check it out today, guys. The link is down below in the description. Join the 10% Club today. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys in the next one. God bless.